success and increasing success with fibs refers to the identification of more desirable and relevant entry and exit prices, in addition to the basics of identifying areas more likely to reverse and stall price. The key to greater success comes from understanding the context of where price is moving in the fib. Certain areas in a fib can become more significant than others, depending on the position of current price in relation to past price movements and fib levels. Keep in mind the methods for enhancing success are optional. They are not necessary or practical in all cases. In addition, you can choose to use one or a combination of all of them with concepts covered in the earlier sections. No one method is better than the others. In some cases, some of the following methods will not be possible on certain charts.